We are back at you for another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. Today is Landscape Debris Pickup Day in our community, so we're going to sail around looking for free plants. And you guys can see here the daylight savings time is really messing with me and Teddy here. We had to shoot our intro in the garage just to get enough light. These cameras, neither of my cameras are good in low light. So we're going to be asking everyone to stick with us here. The first couple shots we get of stuff that we find might still be in the dark. So the video footage might not be that great, but it will improve as the sun comes up. So we're going to go head off into the dark here and look for some good stuff. So everybody out there, wish us luck. We'll get back with you if we get something good. All right, me and Teddy are zooming along here in the dark. It just occurred to us that these headlights might wear down our battery some. So hopefully we won't have to use them too long, but you guys can see it's so dark out here. I don't know. Yeah, it is. It's going to be a challenge finding plants in the pitch black dark too. I hope nobody thinks we're trying to, I don't know, steal their mail or pop their tires or something. Hopefully we'll get out alive, right, bud? Anyways, I'm gonna put the camera down. We're heading to our first neighborhood right now. All right, so this is gonna be real tough. Usually Teddy and I can see the cans from quite a distance away and start to get an idea of what's in them, but we can hardly see anything right now. So we're gonna have to just go slow here and stop at each can. Oh, this is tough. Daylight savings time really is messing with us, isn't it? It's hard to even see what's in them. All right, we're gonna keep looking. We'll get back with everybody. All right, I know nobody can see this, but there is some Song of India cuttings there.
Let me maybe hold it.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we're not lying, I promise. So Teddy's gonna grab some of that up. All right, y'all, we've switched from plant pirates to other.
There's two.
Yeah, to other stuff pirates. There's two nice step stools in here.
Mommy's gonna like those.
Yeah, that I know we could use, so we're taking those for sure. All right, sweet. Good eye, buddy. Teddy spotted those. All right, y'all, I don't know if you can see, but there's some cord lines. Some Dracaenas sticking up right there. Is there some?
Yeah, is that ficus?
I don't know. See if you can tell.
Nope.
All right, grab the, yeah, Dracaenas. And what is that, just a bunch of clippings in here?
Is that like giant, it's like the giant's cootie.
Gotcha. All right. And here's something interesting here. I don't even know what that is. What is that?
Don't.
Oh, it's a spent agave or century plant. It looks like that's the flower right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's keep going. All right. We just rolled up on several big cans of snake plant. We'll see if Teddy can grab some of this up without making too much of a mess here. This is a great one. Here comes a car, bud. All right, we'll get a couple of them. All right, here's a whole bin of croton cuttings. Another one that we can plant some cuttings. They look all right. They look a little toasty.
I'll just grab this one.
Yeah, we'll just get one. All right, y'all. Straight ahead is our competition. They beat us to this street every week. Every single week, but it looks like they've only gotten this side. They're still coming down this side over here. So we're gonna zoom up to right in front of them and then turn around and start looking, eh, bud?
Yeah.
All right, here is a sweet hand cart right here. It looks like it is just sitting out in the trash. You know, we're taking that for sure. Man, someone set this sweet boat out to be picked up. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, do you think that my golf cart can tow this home, bud?
Yeah,
Holy cow.
I think it has too much towing.
All right, we got almost a full kitchen here. We got a dishwasher and a stove. Man, if only they put out a fridge, I'd take them. We'd have a whole matching set. All right, looks like we have some bromeliads in there. I don't know if they're just, yeah, all right. How many are in there?
Lots.
Great. All right, we'll grab several of them. Oh, looks like there's more in this one too. This one right here, Ted. Under these cuttings.
Oh, yeah.
Check to see what those look like under there. It's a different kind? Oh, it is a different kind.
It's a
Sweet.
longer, thinner leaf.
Nice. All right, several varieties of vermilions. All right, we're gonna grab them. Oh, it looks like we have some Chevalier there too. We already got some, but we'll grab a little bit more.
1 piece.
Sweet. Yeah. All right, we just rolled up on looks like 5 or 6 cans of giant vermilions here. These are the big orange variety. Let's see if we can get 1 or 2 of these. All right, y'all. This is turning into other stuff, pirates. Looks like we just rolled up on a surfboard bag here. Seen better days, but I collect surfboards, so it'll still be good padding for one. Yeah, so I'm gonna grab this for sure. All right, we got some Dracaena here, some Dragon Tree. How many cuttings you got in there? Oh, there's a couple in there. Sweet. Those look like nice cuttings too.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna grab these up for sure. All right, here's some more giant bromeliads. Looks like a different variety than the one we got earlier. It's like a big clump of them. Like a big clump of them. We'll try and load these up. Looks like we got some bromeliads in here. No, this is like the day of the bromeliads, isn't it? All right, sweet. It's a different variety. We'll take it. All right, we just rolled up on a nice little dwarf philodendron here.
Not little.
Oh yeah, it's not. All right, sweet. It's a nice find. I'm definitely gonna take that. All right, we just rolled up on a mystery. They're building a brand new house and there's already toilets in the dumpster. How is that possible?
I don't know.
How is that possible? I guess they didn't like the toilets they picked out. Already threw them away. It's crazy. All right, looks like we just found some. What is it?
Dragon fruit.
Oh, dragon fruit. Oh, it's a nice cutting. Sweet. Who knows what variety it is, but
Mystery variety.
sweet. Good eye, kiddo. Good eye. All right, we made it back.
Yeah.
It's starting to rain on us now. We had to deal with the darkness this morning, and now it's starting to rain. So let's go ahead and show everybody real quick what we got.
Yeah.
Let's start with, I guess, up on top there. Here, I'm gonna hand you the camera real quick. Yeah, we got this killer dolly. I can kind of see why it was put out. It's a little rusty and squeaky. Might need a little work, but we can definitely use this.
Yeah, look, it can be used.
I mean, we can use this for moving plants even.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
can lay it down and it can be worked as like a flat dolly and it can be worked as that kind.
Yeah. So that was a good find. It's not a plant. We kind of were doing other stuff, pirates say. Let's just
I wonder why this thing unhooks here.
to raise the bar.
Oh, gotcha.
The bar can go up and down.
Gotcha.
All right,
Cool.
so let's go through all of our other stuff finds right now.
Board bag.
Yes, so we got a surfboard bag. It's in pretty sorry shape, but like I said earlier, I collect surfboards, so it doesn't really matter that this bag's in bad shape. All I needed to do is pad a surfboard in a closet for
And we
me.
can trim all this.
Yeah,
spray.
yeah, we'll trim all this stuff up, and really all this is going to be is padding for one of my more valuable surfboards. I'm obsessed with surfing and surfboards. I collect surfboards. You guys can see we have like probably, I don't know. These are there's some wax. Oh, lovely. These are all the boards we ride right there. I have some boards up there and some boards up there, but really most of our boards are in closets in the house. We probably have over 100 surfboards.
No, we have like 120 something.
Yeah. So this will be,
See if there's any fins in here.
I don't know what that is, but.
I don't know.
So anyways, this board bag will be nice padding for one of my nicer boards.
Yeah.
All right, what else we got?
Okay, I found these. I thought it was one, but it's actually 2 stools.
Yep, and then we got these. This is one of the first things we found. We got these nice step stools. We can always use step stools, so.
So Raymond can get in more stuff.
Yeah, right. So our little one can get in all the cabinets, but
They need
it's
to
all right.
come
We'll bring them apart. That's fine, just leave them. But, so here's our other stuff. There's our other stuff pile right there. Saving stuff from the landfill, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Forget about it, kiddo. It's all right.
Yeah.
Everyone knows it's 2 stools. All right, first thing we got, what is it? Sorry, guys, I'm just trying to move this along
A small
because
philodendron.
it's raining here. Yeah,
A mini leaf philodendron.
yeah, so this doesn't really have roots, you can see. This is kind of a root. It's not really.
These are
the
more anchors.
Yeah, but we have been able to successfully just stick this in the ground just like this and get it to take off. We only have one like that, right?
Yeah.
So,
And then dragon fruit.
oh yeah, this was I think the last thing we got was a nice cutting of dragon
That's
fruit.
I guess that was the very tip of it.
Yeah, this would have been like sticking up out of the tree.
Reaching for
There's no
sunlight.
segments on this piece you guys can see, but we will take it.
Oh man, we got tons of these.
Got lots of our.
All right, this is our Dracaena. A lot of people call this the dragon tree.
Look at this one.
Dracaena marginata.
I did good today.
Yeah, we did all right. It was hard to see. I mean, it was so dark that we had to pull up on every pile real close just to see what was in it. So, oh, here comes the rain. While you guys hold on just a minute, I'm gonna move some of this stuff into the garage so it doesn't get too wet. All right, what's next? What we got? Bromeliads. Oh, this is a nice striped one.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right. Uh-oh.
Here comes the rain.
Uh-oh, here comes the rain.
Here's another dragon tree.
Yep, another Dracaena right there.
Okay, let's
Here, I'll
get
help you
these
with these.
bromeliads.
We got these giant bromeliads. This is the orange variety. It doesn't look orange, but when you put it in the sun, they turn orange.
Oh, look at all the puffs on this one.
Yeah. And that's really what we're going for here, guys. Some of these bromeliads look terrible, but if you plant them, they will shoot up new pups for
Okay,
you.
More bromeliads.
There's another variety of bromeliads. Today was kind of the day of bromeliads
That's
here.
excellent.
Oh, that's another variety.
And there's another variety of bromeliads.
Another.
We got 4 varieties so far. Oh, a 5th variety of bromeliads. Nice.
Not real. That one's got razors on it, but those two are.
Yeah, these aren't bad. Yeah, these are real sharp edge right here. They'll cut you up if you're not
Cheffalera.
careful. Yep, we got
Very good,
Cheffalera.
Cheffalera.
This is a super easy one to plant from cuttings.
Oh, this guy.
Super duper easy.
This one's pretty sooty looking. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of.
Yeah, so here's a croton. Really, I just grabbed this to make people aware that you can plant crotons from cuttings. This is not, we don't even want that in our garden. Let's just
No.
put that away.
I'm just gonna spread.
But I did want to make people aware that if you find cuttings of crotons, you can propagate them.
Okay, snake
All
plant.
right, Teddy's got some snake plants. Some nice snake plant with roots too. So this is a Dracaena too.
Oh, it is.
It
Snake
is?
plant. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah.
Here's another little. It looks like it's that kind.
Yeah, it is. Yep.
Okay. So, last
Song
but
of
not
India.
least, Song of India.
You got a bunch of Song of India, didn't you?
Yeah, we
Don't
did.
pull it all out. Let me just like
Just
look,
show it.
let's show everybody.
Dump out the bucket.
Yeah, so every one of these little cuttings will root into a plant. And this is a killer plant. It adds a lot of texture and color
color.
variety in the garden, so
we
it's
should
real
get
nice.
a pot of it grown in the driveway.
Yeah. All right, so we didn't do too bad today. I would say today overall was an other stuff day and a bromeliad day more than anything. But, you know, like I said earlier, it was a challenge not having the sun up. I mean, we really had to pull up to every pile and look at it real closely. And then we did have, I was a little concerned some of the neighbors might think that we were, you know, canvassing the neighborhood and trying to get into cars or something because it was dark outside and we were
Yeah.
stopping at the end of
I thought
everyone's
we looked real
driveways.
weird with the 2 pins on the back.
Yeah,
for, like, the
right.
rack and all that.
But I'm sure by now everyone in all of these neighborhoods knows who we are because we do this all the time. So anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the adventure today. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants that we found here today or any of our other stuff, just post down below. If you did enjoy our little adventure, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our channel. And if they don't, what's gonna happen, bud?
A meteor's gonna hit.
Oh, meteor's gonna hit you. Oh my, it's gonna hit your house?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't know what's worse if it hits you or your house, and it looks like a meteor strike day to me. So maybe just consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.